How to customize notification categories on Samsung. This tutorial shows you how to control individual notification types for each app instead of just turning notifications on or off entirely. First, open Settings on your Android. After that, tap on Notifications from the list. Let me show you. From there, scroll down and tap on Advanced Settings. At this point, turn on the toggle next to Manage Notification Categories for each app. In the next step, go back and tap on App Notifications from the main notification screen. Following this, tap on the specific app you want to customize. Once done, tap on Notification Categories to see the different types of alerts that app can send. From here, tap on any individual category, such as comments or reminders, depending on the app. At this stage, turn off the toggle for that category if you want to stop just that specific type of notification. Following this, adjust the sound or alert style for that category instead if you'd rather customize it than block it. Keep in mind, not every app supports categories. Some only offer a single on or off switch for all their notifications. Finally, come back to this same menu anytime you want to adjust categories for a different app. And that's it. If this guide helped you customize notification categories on Samsung, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.